Find all real and complex roots of z to the 10th equals 9 to the 10th power. So let z equal 9. So that means z is 9 times the quantity cosine 0 plus I sine 0. Now let's raise everything to the 10th power. So we have 9 to the 10th. And then for the angle, we're going to multiply 0 with the 10th power. So that's going to be 9 to the 10th times quantity cosine 0 plus I sine 0. Now we know that each of the roots is going to be the form of nth root of r times a quantity cosine theta plus 2 pi k all over n plus I sine theta plus 2 pi k over n. For us, n is equal to 10, and then r is 9 to the 10th. So we have the 10th root of 9 to the 10th, which is just 9. And then theta here was 0, so we could just get rid of it. And we have 2 pi k all over 10, since n is equal to 10. And that's going to simplify to pi k over 5. And so we're interested for values of k from 0 to 9. So we just plug it in. K is 0, k is 1, all the way up to 9. And so these will be the real and complex roots